In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel pending transactions on MetaMask. So in canceling a transaction or a pending transaction, you have to go ahead for method 1, which is in-app cancellation. So to cancel the transaction, simply select cancel as in the screenshot above. So cancellation can only be attempted if the transaction is still pending on the network. So transactions that have already been confirmed cannot be reversed. So as you can see here, this is the fee or the activity. Then you got here pending, it says pending. So you could be able to go cancel or speed up the transaction. To speeding up, you just have to click speed up to speed up your transaction. So you can also go for method 2. So basically this process involves sending in your transaction with the same nonce, or transaction does not actually have to have any value, so you could send 0 ETH. It matters that you pay enough gas for the network to prioritize it. In using this method, you will need to work backwards from the oldest pending transaction in the queue that you want to cancel. So basically, in the transaction window, so you just go ahead to show advanced details, like here, this button right here. So then send a new transaction. So you just send a new transaction to from your account to your account. So next, to the estimated fee in the transaction confirmation, you'll see a pencil icon to edit the fee. So here you could be able to see here, advance. Then after that, you just go ahead and edit. Then you have your priority fee, max base fee, then edit the estimated fee. Then that's it. So to make sure canceller is pick up as a priority, and before the original, you need to pay more for gas. So basically, you just go ahead and set your priority fee to the one that you wanted to cancel so that it would be canceled immediately. So that's it. That's how you could be able to, these are the ways to go ahead and cancel your pending transactions on MetaMask.